Hello everyone. Hope all of you are doing great. This is your coach Ashutosh back, this time with a video on Scaled Agile Framework or SAFe. So in this video, I'll be talking about the four core values of SAFe and what exactly they are with examples from our day-to-day life. But before that, let us understand that SAFe is based on the four key bodies of knowledge. So what are these bodies of knowledge? Agile development, lean product development, systems thinking, and DevOps. As you can see, this makes SAFe a very deep and a scalable model, if I were to say. Now coming to the four core values, but before I go to the four core values, let us understand what do we mean by values. Values are nothing but fundamental beliefs and guiding principles which we as practitioners need to adhere to. And when we say these fundamental principles and belief systems, these are the key to effectiveness, and these are, I would say, which will direct actions and behaviors. So as practitioners, when we follow these values, it will actually be a kind of a guiding principle. It will be a key to effectiveness and bringing about action and behavior which helps us in our transformation. Now coming to the four core values of SAFe, the four core values of SAFe are alignment, built-in quality, transparency, and program execution. And let us cover them one by one. What do we mean by alignment? Alignment means that whatever actions we are taking, whether it is at a team level, whether it is at a portfolio level, or whether it is at an art level, they are perfectly synchronized with each other. There should not be any gaps in those actions or activities what we are doing. It's like building a tunnel through a mountain. As we all know, right? When a tunnel is constructed through a mountain, the excavation work starts from both sides of the mountain. You don't start digging a tunnel just from one side, because otherwise it will take years for that tunnel to come. But there's a perfect alignment between the two teams, where once the tunnels are in the midpoint, you will find that there's a handshake which is happening between the both the sides, and the tunnel is completed. So that's what we mean by alignment. So by alignment, we mean that there's a perfect alignment between the portfolio backlog, between the vision, the roadmap, program increment, team backlogs. They are perfectly in sync with each other, and the focus is on cadence and synchronization. Let us now move to the second core value of SAFe, built-in quality. Inspection is the worst form of quality checks what you can do. What Deming means here is that by the time, let's say that as a team you're doing inspection, you would have already gotten a good or a bad or a ugly quality built in into the product. So you're actually wasting time. Rather, have processes, have activities which will shift leftwards, and we actually have a built-in quality in every product what we are delivering and building and delivering. So shift left is the strategy. So when we talk about quality, or when we talk about built-in quality, there's a flow, there's a architecture and design quality, code quality, system quality, and release quality. Yeah, but the main mantra here is shift left. Try to bring about a culture of quality into your teams. Next value is transparency. What do we mean by transparency? Transparency means openness, a culture of trust, openness. Nothing is hidden from anyone, right? From a portfolio level to the team level, things are transparent. So if the team wants to look at the strategic theme, they can always look at it. They can look at the epics. Similarly, the leadership team can have a look at the visibility they have at a program increment, they have a visibility at a team backlog. That is what we mean by transparency. Lastly, we have what is called as program execution. What do we mean by program execution? Alignment, built-in quality, and transparency. They set the foundation for a successful, SAFe implementation. But the real proof of the pudding lies in eating, as we say, right? So for this program to be successful, there has to be a perfect synchronization from a program execution perspective. So we need to ensure that whatever planning we have done, whether it's a PI planning, whether it's a sprint planning, we have to make sure that the program synchronously goes through it through effective execution. And this is where the role of a release train engineer, this is where the role of a scrum master, and they have to synchronize amongst themselves and work towards the success of the program. Now, all these four core values, what we saw, will be only successful if they are blended with a culture of lean agile leadership and a continuous learning culture. I hope this short video helped you demystify some of the aspects of the four core values of SAFe. And in the next video, I'll be talking about the 10 principles of SAFe. This is Ashutosh Bhattodekar signing off for now, and have a great day ahead. Thank you.